In this problem, we are graphing the line that goes through the point 0, -1 with a slope of 2/3. We want to graph first the y-intercept. And in this problem, we are given the y-intercept. It is 0, -1. So our y-intercept here is 0, -1. So be careful when you're graphing any point that has 0 in it. So think about, again, the first number that you have there is x. The second number that you have there is y. So on the x-axis, 0 is here in the middle. Okay, that's not where you're going to stop. You're not putting a point there, but that's going to be where you start. But you're not moving left or right because 0 is in the middle. Okay, and then your y value tells you how far to go up or down. And we've got a -1 y value. So we're actually plotting this point. And notice that this point is on the y-axis. That is exactly what we're wanting, and this is the y-intercept for that reason. Now, what do we do with the slope? Our slope is 2/3. So we are going to use the concept of rise over run, and we're going to do that with 2/3. Now, the signs come into play here. When both of these are positive, this allows us to do a rise. So positive, we're going to rise up 2 units. Then you're going to look at the sign of the denominator. The denominator is positive. So this means run. So run means go either left or right. And we're following the same direction as like our positive to the right, negative to the left, positive up, negative down, the same as our coordinate system, okay? And so +3 means we're going to go right 3 units. Now, where are we starting here to graph this? We are not starting at the origin. We are starting at the y-intercept. So we're going to start at the y-intercept to graph our next point. And we're getting our next point by doing this movement with the slope, the rise over run. Okay, so our rise over run here, we're going to start at the y-intercept and go up 2 units. 1, 2, and then from there, go right 3 units. So kind of pause there and now go right 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And where you stop, that's where you can put your other points. And that, connecting those points, remember a line goes all the way through both sides. It does not stop at those dots, and it does have arrows on the end. So it does continue on and on forever. Making sure that you put arrows to denote that.